In this video, I will show you how to create like this product animation in Canva. So let's do it. Open Canva first, open video, choose video landscape, click add text, and right now add your text. And change the font if you want. For me, I would change it to this font and change the text color to white, like this. Increase this text and put it exactly here. After that, you just have to go and click on your text and go to animate and click create an animation, and right now type or click on shift on your keyboard and right now drag the text to the left like this. And go to movement style and click steady, and let's see right now. After that, you have to go and download this video. Click download. After downloading your product, just drag it here. And right now, what you should do, come to this text and change your text color to the background color, and click on the background and change the background to white like this, and go again and download this video. When it's done, drag again the second video that we made here to your download, and right now download or delete this. Right now guys, click on the first video and put it here, and right now click on the second one and also put it here like this, and right now crop this one to the middle like this, and let's see the result. Good. So what I should do right now, I will go right now to element and I will add my element, this element. I will just put it on the middle, make it a little bit small, and I will go to animate and I will change the animation to any animation that I want to use. For example, this one, and just decrease the timing, and let's see the result. That's all guys in this video. If you enjoy it, leave a like, leave a subscribe. See you in another video.